So welcome back everybody into another backtesting session. We are back from where we left in the previous video, which I can show you. We were here right after taking this buy, and we were talking a lot about the difference between the 20-tick chart and the 1 minute and how we can use that to our advantage on the 1 minute chart. So let's just have a look at the time when we were doing a Friday, NFP Friday, but we were already late into the New York. We are going to move into the next week, the following week, which is of course Monday, and we're going to start looking at, oh, it kept pushing, wow. So we left at, we were around 1950s, and wow, 400 pips, 300, 400 pips was a quite an interesting move. And so we're coming into the new, in a Monday, new week, and let's have a look at if we have anything coming up. We have the JOLTS coming on Wednesday, and yeah, Monday, Tuesday, nothing really happening from the fundamental point of view. Wow, huge spike up. We might have, as you can see, a retest of this hourly, but I want to yeah, I want to do that. Can you please go further down? Thank you. And yeah, we might have these. We might have a sort of intermediate hourly over here, which can give us some nice reactions over on the in the 1 minute chart. Yeah. Yeah, I like that. I like that. I like this. So yeah, for now it's looking good, and we have them on the 1 minute. So now let's have a look at the price action. As I was saying, now we are in the pre-London time, so I'm not expecting a huge amount of volume, but you can see that, I mean, we have moved 60 pip in, it was 2 hours, 1 hour ago. So I think that there's a lot of volume into gold, into the gold trading anyway. So let's just have a look at the price action and take advantage of it if we see any interesting possibility and trade idea. So just want to have a look, to give a thought. This is exactly what I was talking about in the previous video. So I started this occasion, this lower wick on the 20-tick chart is actually a candle body, and you can see that it's also matching this one. So if now I was waiting, I was bearish, I could take this retest to there, to this lower wick, to the possible continuation down. Now I'm not looking for sells right now because the start of the session, we are in the middle of the range. I don't really want to do that, but just for the sake of it, that's where I will see the retest going. And yeah, will still would have been a loss because the range is quite big. But yeah, just I wanted to use the opportunity for that. And yeah, now what I might see is actually a possible trade idea now to these lows. I see that there's a lot of quite a nice volume. This is a range of about 29-30 pips, which is absolutely fine. Even if the price does not reach all the way down, just reaches in the middle, I have my stop loss going at the break even, so I might take can be less risky. But of course, I want the price to break below to have some further possible continuation down. And let me just save because it's I've already updated quite a few things, and let's just see how the price action is going to move. Yeah, now as you can see that we never got our situation. I will not, probably there's some word where I can take a buy over there. Let's just see how the previous 1 minute formed. Okay, just stay there. No retest. So this is even on the 20-tick chart is something that is very, very bullish. That's it. And we are close to an hourly PSA. which is this one, is the intermediate one, but I don't really want to just base on that for my actions. But let's see if we want to take a first risk over here. This will be the case. I don't like the thing that we are at the hourly, we are over here, so I might take a lower risk and just sell. Sorry, I'm buying. Oh, damn it. I wanted to buy. Okay, let's go 1 minute. Okay. Okay. I wanted to buy. Let's see. It's a lower risk, and if it's pushing up, if it goes over here, we already be at break even. If then we get a rejection at the hourly, it's okay. Just to trade the price action without too many thoughts. Okay, yeah, I wanted to push it a bit higher. Yeah, nice. We didn't get stopped. We didn't stop ourselves from taking a trade just because of something, especially because there was enough range to the actual hourly PSA, which we know that was not a strong PSA. Is not like a strong rejection. It's just that we got some reaction overall on the hourly, but we know that on the 1 minute everything can happen. So now let's see. Price can easily continue now. I'm seeing nice bullish momentum. Can easily go to around 60 pips to the 1991s, but let's see. Let's just see the continuation over here. Now, if I want to look at these candles, now you can see that this 1 minute, this I have to see it in my head as this. Pump and pump. So now if I see a bullish candle, bullish price action moving up, then it's a case that we might see a retest for a possible continuation up. Even if this on the 1 minute is just a top wick like this, you know? So let's see. Bam. Now these two candles for me are like pam on the 20 tick chart. Now what we might do, of course I don't want, because there's a reason why I don't want to take the 20 tick, because I don't want to just take every single one, even if we are in a very strong PSA. We are in a high price sensitivity area over here, so it's not a higher chance that the price from here will go to these highs. But yeah, because also we can get easily rejected at this previous one. But that's what I wanted to just to highlight, that we have this one as a possible 20 on the 20 tick chart. That would be a possible setup for the sell limit, for the buy limit. Okay. Let's see. Will not get activated yet, but the volume is it was nice. So of course any enter over there doesn't make any sense because it's nowhere. Already around 20 pips. But now what is giving me, I don't like this zoom in. Now it's giving me now, even on the 1 minute, a nice area from where I might look for a possible entry. So it's good that I see this price action, because if we close higher, then that's where we can actually take advantage of it. Now, as you can see, now we're having a nice breakout from there. This entry, there was an entry. I mean, the trade idea would have been a winning idea, yes. You saw how strong reaction we had at these previous highs, but even as a limit order, there was no entry. You see that there's space between this. So for me, for my setup, there was no entry. Now let's see if we can get an actual entry above these highs. So this candle now, you can see, if you figure it out on the 20 tick chart, that's the same thing, a bullish candle and a bearish candle. So now this is where the advantage of the actual 1 minute chart comes handy, because it's okay. You see that now on the 1 minute, this is not a strong bullish candle. We are not clearly breaking above. So for me now, there's no entry, but on the 20 tick chart, that will be an entry. So let's just go over here. So yeah, you see what I'm talking about. Also, possible retest of this area will be simply on the 20 tick chart, this one would already be a retest. So we'll be already in the trade. Maybe now we see that it will have been a win. But on the 1 minute, if I want to trade on the 1 minute, that's not enough confirmation. Okay. Yeah, it looks like that it was. I mean, that was a good one. If I had to take after this bullish confirmation, that would be the case of a buy limit over here. Yes, probably I would be a little bit too lazy on that side, not entering, waiting, I don't know what confirmation. But yeah, with this entry, auto break even at 20 ticks. Okay, it will be at break even now, and then get out at break even. You can see, luckily, getting out at break even, or possibly not, because maybe we will be now it goes to win. But yeah, that's a good thing. There you go. Now let's see what the following price action. Okay, this is London Open, so that's also why we are seeing this lower wick can go all the way down, can easily even go to these lows and then push up, can go there and then push up. So let's see where the wow. Oof, this one is just ping 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 pong. Yeah, going down, up and down, up and down. So no entry yet. At least we can see that there's a lot of volume, and that's good. Now this one, on a 20 tick chart, this one would be a possible trade idea. And I don't know if I want to actually take it. Because we see this breakout, nice candle, and then a bearish. So this one on the 20 tick chart will be a retest. I don't know if I want to take it or not. Yeah, you can see that it would have been a win, most likely. Yep. And here is the same. Now I will take this one. This one is the most high risk reward, but what I will take is this one. I see, bam, price is spiking up. Now, of course, this is going very fast. But if I want to take it as, yeah, probably I should, I don't know. If I want to trade it on the 1 minute, I need to wait to see it on the 1 minute. That's one thing, because now it's just 10 seconds and then boom, pushes down and then goes back up, and then retraces, retests it, and then pushes up. You see, I want to take this one I want to take, this retest, because this one on the 1 minute chart, this is something that on the 20 tick chart is more clear, and it's this, the retest of this top wick. Yes, that's what I want to take. Okay, of course we knew the outcome, yes, and but yeah, to take advantage of the movement, take advantage of the momentum, and yeah, also I was saying about this first trade idea, which have been working out absolutely fine. So to understand that at least the trade ideas that I'm having are quite good. Now, yeah, let's see if we form some price action area. Okay, some rejections, so at least we are forming some sort of possible buy area. Let's see if we push above. Okay, that's the thing. That's a retest that if I want to take, is actually exactly the same, but I don't want to take it as if it was on the 20-tick chart, possibly. Or yes, do I? Especially we are very close to an hourly PSA, which I don't know. I would prefer to see some bullish candle breaking above and then taking for the retest for the possible continuation. Okay, let's see. Okay, strong rejections. So that's where I am adapting and going back to the 1 minute chart. If I can't use always the 1 minute chart as if it was the 20-tick chart. It can give me further trade ideas, yes. For example, this entry, yes, but yeah, this one, yes, but not. I want to see further confirmations to avoid too many entries, but yeah, I don't know. That's why we are here, to study and get a good feeling. So now we are breaking above. Nice. Okay, we got the retest. Yeah, even though I don't know about the outcome, let's just take a buy limit a little bit further down. A little bit further down. Yeah, around there. Of course, now this hourly is a little bit in the way. Let's put it like this. Hope it gets activated. Right. Okay. Not trading. I want to have it at break even at 20. Very tight stop loss, absolutely. I agree with you. 5 pips. Yeah. And it's okay. Yeah, we get our loss. But this was the confirmation on the 1 minute chart. A breakout and then a retest. That's absolutely fine. With me, there's no issue at all. Now let's see, of course, what time is it? Yeah, we're closing off with the first hour of the London session. Let's see if we're having some more momentum. If we see some reaction and failure to break above, then I will jump into New York. Yeah, for now, I think I will jump into New York. Okay, let's see. We have this possible retest over there. Okay. The momentum looks nice because you can see the price is making new higher highs and higher lows. This is also temptingly a buy stop area. Right above, not that. Right above here. Let's see. Yeah. I don't know. We might take this risk or was also okay. Yeah, it's fine because it's a small. It's not our usual setup, so it's okay to take a smaller risk for that. Let's see. Now here will be already activated, and that's because of the spread. So okay. Yeah, you see. Wow, that was exactly that. Of course, I didn't know that, but with all this spike and with these characteristics, price is making higher highs and higher lows. We have a support, a resistance, but instead of making the same, we're not in a range that always it's facing these rejections. What we are doing is pam. So let's do like this for these lows. Pam, 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 pam. So here I can expect that once it breaks above, then we're going to have a huge spike. This does not have to be that clean, can be like this, but just to understand you that this every time the price is failing to make new lows, it's just making new highs. So very good idea, very good trade. Yeah, I love it. This was absolutely love it. Great. We might still, okay, we took this win. Okay, do we want to invest in actually taking a retest trade? Yeah, we can do that. So for example, 11 pips. 12. Okay, and we just, okay, now we want to take advantage of the retest. Okay, that's fine. Let's see how if it does it or not. Okay. Okay, got activated, I guess. Yes. Now break even at 20. Yeah, we got stopped out. Of course, the stop loss is very small, very thin, and yeah, we took our buy limit at the upper. Yeah, you see 12 pips. And now I will say that we go straight to the New York one. New York session. Okay, this is New York. So we saw another rejection, but from our end, yeah, it went like 24 pips. That's okay. Maybe we had another, yeah, we could have had another go, but would have not been a win. Very strong price action afterwards. No entry over there, I would say, but yeah, let's have a look at sort of an updated hourly time frame. We have this one, which is very good. And also, yeah, I would say this one is a possible reaction area. What about this one? I don't know if I want to still use this or possibly what happened? I deleted it, probably. Okay, maybe like that. Okay. So now let's delete this. Let's delete this. Let's delete this. The one that are more thin are the one more relevant for the 1 minute chart. And yeah, let's go back to the 2. Let's see what we don't have anything, right? Yeah, we said that on Monday we don't have anything. Who's my credit? Yeah, it's quite irrelevant. So now let's see on the simply trading a normal New York session, opening, pushing up. We might have what's the distance between this and there? Yeah, it's quite big. So we can take some sells to these lows. So let's see. Let's see if we can manage to break below. Okay, so we can place a sell limit, not that far, not that far. Yeah, something like that, along those lines. Okay, let's see. Okay, we got stopped out. Spike in volatility. That's okay. Wow. Okay, this is the actual 8:20 AM Eastern. So that's what I usually wait before taking any entry. Now let's see. Wow, it's melting. Okay. No, I don't want to really trust this area for possible retest. Don't want to trust it. No. Should have I trusted, but why didn't even retest it? So let's see if we can break below these lows. So we see that the idea was good. Yeah, just that the range was bigger. Are we breaking below? Yeah, the attempt, I will take a manual entry over there, if just for the sake of taking it. The range is very, very big, and in this case, my stop loss is quite tight. I would say that it's very, very tight for this type of volatility. But let's see. Hopefully, we're going to take advantage of it. Nope. Wow. Push up immediately. Also the same thing, because now I was waiting for the break below of this, but same thing as the retest. I should have probably waited for the break below these lows to confirm that it was not a double bottom, and boom. same thing. We have just the timing is off, and yeah, here we don't have any chance to take an entry. I mean, there was no news, so I don't know why this strong volatility in volume, but let's see. Do we want to place a sell limit over there? Or is it pushing because it's like a 50%? 50% more? No, not even. So let's see. Okay. Let's see now with a further sell limit. But not over there. Of course, further away. Further away. Wow, my stop loss is so thin. Yeah, no, I don't want to risk 2%. It's too dangerous. Okay, 12 pips. This is one of the times when we can actually have the TP a little bit larger and the stop loss a little bit larger, yeah. But I risk it. Yeah, no, it doesn't make sense. It goes to 16 pips and then pushes back up. That's okay. All the way back up. Fuck. Retest of the hourly 5 minutes before the new 4 hour. That's something that might make sense, but not the trade. Good. Okay. This is the case where a lower time frame is actually useful because here I don't understand anything. I mean, we are having 100 pip moves just like that. Oh, let's see. If we push below, okay, we might have the possibility to continue down, as I was saying, with like that. This is the tricky part. That's why I will take the over here. I will take that to this area, which is around 7 pip. Okay, but I don't know if it gets triggered. Yeah, was I a bit too high? Yes. Yeah, back at break even. Yeah, possibly we are getting another retest. We want to risk it again. Let's do it. Yeah, I don't like it. Out. Yeah, better to get out of that. Oh, difficult market conditions, I would say. Big ranges, but not so easy entry points, especially with these areas. So, okay, let's see. New York Stock Exchange is opening. This entry, sorry, but afterwards doesn't make too much sense to me in the moment. because now we are going against such a strong price action. So it's not like we are going counter trend completely. So I don't know where and when and if it will stop. So I don't really trust myself taking this situation. Maybe it will happen, but I don't really trust myself to do that. Okay, push it up, yeah. But if we get a loss, sell below there, this entry, I mean, it's a 50 pip, but I would have been stopped out, yeah, absolutely, 100%. The ranges are too big. It's also something that I can sit out because it's not my setup. Let's see if we break below. Yeah, no, just completely ranging situation. Absolutely madness. This one, I don't know. I want to see how the previous one formed because we had this strong, this nice, yeah, up and down. So it's not really. We're going into a win, yes, but I mean that's on the 20-tick chart is a huge bullish candle in the first 20 seconds, and then you get a retest of this area. So you want to take a buy limit. It's around 14 pips. Yes. Yes, that's the case, but yeah, well, are we pushing above this week? Look at this week where it is. It's out over there. Oh yeah, very difficult market conditions. And let's go do the following day, which is Tuesday. At 7. Okay, pre-London. Oh, pushed up. Wow, now we have a huge volume now. And where are we on the hourly? Pushing. So over here we can see that we already came late to the chart, but I mean that's the time. This is pre-London. We had a retest of this area, which was absolutely clean. Pam. How can it be 120 pips? This is March 2022. This is about the Russian situation. Wow. Of course, there's such a volatility. That's why. Let's see if we're breaking above these highs. Okay, yeah, that's why we have such huge volatility. I mean, this is 50 pip. Yeah, I mean, of course, I cannot use a 10 pip stop loss. Wow. And now we have this sort of this situation over here. Say below these wicks. Okay, let's see if we're going to continue up. We have some intermediate price sensitivity area. Let's see how these last two formed. Okay, no, never retested. Let's see if we are breaking above. Now we are retesting it. But even this, it's a 6 pip. Yeah, just with that, it will go. Yeah, you can see. So let's wait for a breakout in each side. I like this bullish price action, but yeah, now there was no flag forming. You can see how price failed to retest and then make a new higher low. So that was the case. This is London Open from 15 minutes ago. Yeah, pushing up, down now. Let's see where this. This is a case where I could have taken this entry. We have a big range, but we are back to this hourly where we might bounce up. So if I was an intraday trader, I would take a buy over here around, yeah, around there. So I don't want to really risk a sell. Yeah, you see, even just this is 100 pip. If you take, as I was saying, you have a buy stop with like 30 pips to 100. No, it's a buy limit because now we are falling a little bit closer. Yeah, over there. It would be quite unfortunate, I would say, to be almost there. Probably we go to break even. Let's see. Yeah, that would be the trade that I was saying, based on the hourly. And let's see. And of course, now we know that this. So if we break below, so we have a candle that is breaking below, strong, and then we are creating a bullish candle, which could possibly be the retest. But do we want the retest of the lower wick, as we always say, or not? Now, that's why in this such a difficult situation, with this volatility, nothing is safe. I would want to see some clear 1 minute candle staying below these lows of the hourly before possibly pushing down, because we are talking about an hourly, we're possibly bouncing from this area as well. So I would not take any risk, considering that we are in the London session. I know that something will 100% happen anyway. So where was the, yeah, during the New York session we will have enough volume. Let's see, where do we want to go? Okay, let's go into the actual New York session. Very good. Price was ranging all the time. So we have these highs over here. Sells will be only below these lows and below the hourly. So 100%. We said that we don't have any news. Yes. Okay. So let's go ahead. Very good. And continue. Of course, now this is at 10, 30. Okay, New York open, pushes down, goes up. For now we are bouncing, a lot of volatility, 100%. Okay, let's see. So if we are looking at it as a 20 tick chart, we are seeing bullish candle. Not even. You have the time to do that. Okay, 8:20 AM Eastern. Okay, let's see if we break above. This is a possible buy stop situation that is forming, but also we can take just this manual buy. I mean, no, this is, I mean, I don't want to lose the commissions, but this is quite incredible. These ranges, I can't take a 10 pips stop loss. I'm just gambling. I don't like this. Okay, let's take it with a 15 to 45. So that's it. Yeah. Okay. That's okay, because that's what I had to do. I had to take the trade anyway. Price will push down, and then let's see if it's going to push up. Now this is a, should I take a trade? Yeah. Almost a stop loss. Yeah, will be another loss. Quite sketchy price action. Okay. Low, then up. Okay. I didn't see it as a possible buy stop situation, so I'm not going to call it like that. Would have been more than 100 pips. Wow, yeah. This one up. Okay. When do we have the jaws? The following day. Okay, we can. Right, it's not today. Yeah. Yeah, so this one can be a buy limit at around 18 pips, but has to be 15.45 at least. Goes at break even at 25. Okay, good. Wow, to just push up. Lots of volume. Let's just continue looking at it. Okay, with this is under 70 pips move. I'm not really trusting taking the buy over there with my stop loss. Would have been 100 pip move. Yeah, okay. So if I had my buy limit over there, 15. Okay. Auto break even at 25. Nice. Okay, okay. That's good. That makes sense. This was the trade, the area where I wanted. Yeah, just 6 pips. Okay, yeah, that's pretty much it. Well, let's see how it continues just to see the session, but this thing is absolutely flying. If I take this entry above over here, are we going to continue up? You can see how, yeah, this area, buy limit, no, a little bit closer, buy limit, no, a little bit closer. Yeah, over there. 25. Yeah, another win. Then you will take this one. Ah. Buy limit. Yeah, just going to those eyes. Are we pushing up? Now we take another buy. Boom, another one. Nice, lovely. 55% today we did. One, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades just in this bullish price action. That is absolutely Mwah. Okay, guys. Very feeling very good today compared to the last week. This is absolutely lovely. Let me just zoom in. Obviously, very lovely. Okay, let me just do that. Back. Red this. Retest by. Very good. Very good. Good. Okie dokie, guys. Hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow we have more backtesting, 2 more hours, and see you there.